Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and analysis of the latest tools and gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of woodworking with a product that's been making waves in the industry. Introducing the CNC Spoilboard Surfacing Router Bits by BINSTAK, touted as the best router bits for flattening slabs available in the market. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, having the right tools can make all the difference in the quality of your projects. And when it comes to flattening slabs, precision is key. That's where these CNC Spoilboard Surfacing Router Bits come into play. Let's talk about what sets these router bits apart from the competition. Firstly, they feature a 1/2 inch shank and a 2-inch cutting diameter, making them versatile enough to handle a variety of woodworking tasks. Whether you're resurfacing a SP oil board or trimming and slotting, these bits have got you covered. But what really makes these router bits stand out is their construction. Crafted from durable carbide and solid hardened steel, they're built to withstand heavy-duty use and the test of time. Plus, with an anti-kickback design and heat-resistant Teflon coating, you can say goodbye to resin buildup and hello to fast, easy cleaning. Another thing to love about these router bits is their versatility. Suitable for use on a wide range of materials including solid woods, MDF, laminate, and more, they're the perfect addition to any woodworking arsenal. Just remember to avoid cutting metal and non-wood materials to prolong the life of your bits. But don't just take my word for it. Customers have been raving about the quality and performance of these router bits. From their smooth cuts to their precise finish, they're a favorite among professionals and hobbyists alike. So there you have it, the CNC Spoilboard Surfacing Router Bits by BINSTAK. Whether you're flattening slabs or tackling other woodworking projects, these bits are sure to deliver exceptional results every time. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more reviews and recommendations here on Product Critique. Until next time, happy woodworking!